mentally in my head, I'm like, wow, this is a real leveling up moment for Tesla as a company. And it's crazy to me how I've been buying a lot of stock since the Cybertruck unveiling because the stock actually went down. How the media sort of misread this situation, because for me, the amount of how weird and different it looked, for the amount of hype, I was expecting it to break the internet, but I wasn't expecting like it even did so more than I was expecting. So I feel like Tesla's really like just shown they've like kind of hit this weird nail on the head culturally with this product that I think I was totally not expecting. I mean, the demand is so strong that I personally am like, wow, did Tesla really just launch another vehicle and that got $10 billion worth of annual demand or more? And kind of Wall Street's like, oh, whoops, the stock's down. This was a disaster. I'm like, what? Like, it was just such a big disconnect that I feel like Tesla's like, I don't know, it seems like they've kind of leveled up as a company with this whole product line, like the technology, the confidence, just coming from a position of strength, not needing to bet the company on it. I don't know. I just was extremely impressed with the way they pulled this off and the way all, even with the glass shattering. And so it's kind of, I think mentally in my head, I'm like, wow, this is a real leveling up moment for Tesla as a company.
It was a huge risk, I think, for them to show this truck off. And maybe in hindsight, maybe that's why Elon Musk was hedging on, well, if people don't like it, then we'll make a more traditional looking truck. But
Yeah.
it was a huge risk, but it was a stroke of genius. It was a masterpiece, the way that they did it, the way that it shocked everyone and got them talking for good or bad. I mean, when you have other companies, not even in the automotive industry, talking about the truck, whether they like it, like the Lego thing. I shared a link on
Yeah.
Twitter about how Lego was sort of jabbing jabbing Tesla in making a Lego version of it, and it was just, that was the moment where I'm like, OMG, this is working. This is a moment in pop culture. This is a moment in history that we're all going to look back. I suspect, I could be wrong, but this is a moment in history where we're going to look back in 10 years and think, this was the inflection point where we began to see truck design in particular change to look a little bit more like the Cybertruck.